Walton from Richwood, Texas, has a question about a broken dowel.
Yes, it is. It's on his 14 by 25 concrete porch where it's connected to the house. All right. Walton writes, I was at about 7 years ago onto a 45-year-old house and doweled in the foundation every 18 inches on two sides. Well, one dowel near the corner keeps busting the patio concrete. He's wondering, should I just cut this dowel loose? And if so, what's the appropriate covering, Tom, when he does that?
Well, when you do cover any kind of steel, it's always 3 inches on the bottom, 1.5 inches on the side, and 1.5 inches on top. And if it gets too close to the edge, it can expand. When they start to rust, they start to get bigger, and it'll pop the concrete. You'll see it on corners of foundations where it pops the little corners off. It's just a nuisance. If you want to cut it off, it'd be fine. Your concrete's not going anywhere. And you're still going to have a patch spot. So if you take it off, pull the dowel out, and patch it, you're still going to have a discoloration, but you can do it. It's not going to hurt anything.
But you could cover it. You could paint it or put some sort of overlay.
You have those new coatings put on, all kinds of stuff. But
all right.
Just so you know, it's never going to blend.
So he doesn't have to worry about cutting that dowel and the concrete porch floating away or something.
Quite frankly, I probably never would have doweled it, but no, he doesn't have to worry about that at all.
Wow.
It's pretty big, unless you're on a volcano or something. You never know. So, a sinkhole. What else? A spring.
Water
coming up.
Sacred Indian burial ground under there. Or something.
It's a pretty big piece of concrete. It's on two sides. You've got a lot of attachment. It's going to be fine.
All right. Well, if you have a question about dowels and you want to dole it out, you can send it our way. Use the Ask Tom form at HomeShowRadio.com. We'll answer it like these videos over here. And if you subscribe to our channel and click the bell,
Ding.
we'll ring it when we post a new one.